Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
After highs near 50 earlier today, northeast winds are now cooling things down thanks to the ice and the cold water of Lake Michigan and Green Bay, and that cooler weather will be working south and west throughout the evening. In Appleton, it's 46 degrees and cloudy. In Green Bay, it's 41 with northeast winds at around 10 miles per hour, but those winds will really start to pick up later on this evening. We've had some scattered showers across the area throughout the day. There is that band of slightly heavier showers here north of Green Bay, and that continues to lift off to the north, but you can't even really see it when I go way out because your attention is immediately drawn to all this heavy rain across the central part of the country that is, yes, moving north towards Wisconsin. This is a massive storm, very strong. We've got wind advisories or high wind warnings for tonight into tomorrow from basically Delaware all the way back to Arizona, almost coast to coast. And here's the storm responsible for all this wild weather. It's an area of low pressure now tracking north and east. Just to the north and west of it, in the colder air, we've got blizzard warnings and winter storm warnings that do include part of the NBC 26 viewing area. And then just south and east of that, where the snow totals will be less thanks to heavy rain tonight instead of snow, we do have that winter weather advisory. So where we're going to see snow north and west of the system, it could be heavy at times. Blizzard conditions are possible with winds gusting up to around 50 miles per hour. Significant accumulations are likely. Strong winds could produce power outages, and of course you can expect dangerous traveling. And then on the warmer side of the storm, where most of us will be throughout the night into tomorrow morning, we'll have the chance for a thunderstorm with some locally heavy rain. Some minor flooding is possible. Strong winds could produce ice shoves. We could also have ice jams on area rivers. And then some briefly heavy snow is possible during the morning and early afternoon. Lightning track 26 really not showing anything right now, but there is a threat for thunderstorms really across the entire viewing area throughout the night into early tomorrow morning. It looks like a widespread 1 to 2 inches of precipitation will fall across the area from the Fox Valley east. Most of that will be in the form of rain. Skycast shows that rain quickly advancing north and east throughout the evening. Once again, it'll fall heavily at times into tomorrow morning, and then the rain snow line will start to move towards the east during the morning and afternoon, changing everything over to snow. How quickly that happens plays a major role in what we're going to see here in the Fox Valley, but the computer models right now range from a ½ an inch to as much as 3 inches. I'm thinking a dusting to a couple of inches from the lakeshore towards the Fox Valley, and then much heavier totals north and west. If the track does change and move slightly to the east, that could bring those totals up from Green Bay south to Oshkosh. Temperatures tomorrow starting out in the upper 30s and then falling throughout the day with very gusty winds out of the north, at times between 40 and 50 miles per hour. So tonight, rain heavy at times, maybe a thunderstorm. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Tomorrow, rain early, then going over to snow. Very windy conditions, winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 40 because I go from midnight to midnight. I think that high will be shortly after midnight, early Wednesday morning. We did not do that today. We had a brief period of sunshine. The temperature shot up to 50. I went 40. Behind this major storm, quiet weather for the most part as we head through the weekend and into early next week.